Greetings. It has been a very long time since I've uploaded a video, and today I will be presenting something very unusual, something very different. Well, relating to banknotes, of course. For, you see, this banknote was never issued officially, printed, but kept secret, and eventually buried in a cave until it resurfaced in 2002. The note today that I am presenting is the 500 mark note from East Germany, or the German Democratic Republic, or in German, the Deutschen Demokratischen Republik. This note was never issued and was the highest denomination planned to be released. Printed in 1985, or 1975, it was not released at all, and the highest denominated note was the 100 mark note in blue and with the portrait of Karl Marx. Regarding the technical issues of my video, I understand that it's been very hard to sort of get the better quality image of the note when using a webcam camera. Hence, understanding this deficit, I will instead from now on use scanned images of my notes to use in my videos. For you see, the quality varies significantly, and you will see this difference. And with this, I would like to show you first of all the observe of this 500 mark note. Observing the observe of the 500 mark note, we can see that it is of a red ink printing. Now the serial numbers, which read AB 6753789, are printed in red, and the German wording on it says Staatsbank der DDR 500 Mark der Deutschen Demokratischen Republik 1985. On the right side, we see the coat of arms of East Germany. Now this was planned to be the highest denomination note issued by the government of East Germany, but it was never released. I will tell you why later. Now, observing the reverse of the note, we can see a smaller version of the coat of arms on the DDR on the left-hand side of the note. On the top is a message regarding counterfeiting, I believe, and at the below we see two numbers, 500, and the German lettering 500 Mark der Deutschen Demokratischen Republik, which simply means 500 Mark, the German Democratic Republic. Now, contrary to the appearance, the building depicted here is not the building called the Palais des Republiques, which is much more modern. This is instead the House of Councillors, from what I remember, which was essentially the lower house of East Germany. Now, the blank space, which I forgot to mention, is actually where the coat of arms watermark of the German Democratic Republic were to reside. Unfortunately, since this is a scanned image, I cannot show you what it looks like, but it's pretty similar. It's just a watermark, so not much explaining is needed there. Now, up to the reason to why this note was never released. 1. It was deemed inappropriate because 1. The East German wage earned monthly, at least back to 1985, was roughly around 1,000 marks. So having a note that represented half your pay was not appropriate by the GDR. So it was never released because of that. Same with the 200 mark note, which I did not get. I had to decide between both notes, as although they were both equally attractive, I couldn't get them because they were quite expensive. However, same reason, it was never issued because it represented 1/5 of the monthly wage at least. So if you think about it, having such a large note to represent half your wage was, well, a little bit showy off, I guess. Showed off? I don't know, but it was sort of that feeling there. Regardless, that is all to describe about the reverse of the note. That is all, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.